In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a credit card with bad credit in the UK. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a disclaimer and say that it is always going to be difficult to be approved for any sort of credit card or loan if you have bad credit. And sadly, the best method to actually be approved is to slowly improve your credit score and try again. However, since that takes time and you might need something now as you are desperate, I'm gonna go over some options that you have in this video to maybe help you find a solution. First of all, before you start actually applying for credit cards, it's very important that you go ahead into the Money Saving Expert website and you use his credit card eligibility calculator. As you can see on this page, you will be able to scroll down and access the bad credit calculator to check your chances of actually being approved for a credit card. In here, you will be able to input a lot of your contact information and your finance details, and you will get a response from a professional, which will tell you if you are going to be able to receive your credit card. Of course, this is just an estimation, and it's not going to tell you your actual chances. However, since this is a very expert and professional thing, it's nice that you go ahead and you take 2 minutes in order to fill out this information and see how well your chances are. With this step out of the way, you will be able to go to any bank that you wish. As you can see, I went ahead and I chose Capital One Bank as they have a dedicated section for credit cards for people with bad credit, and you will be able to apply online for their respective credit card. Like I said, it doesn't have to be Capital One necessarily. You can just go ahead and select whichever bank you prefer, and as long as you present your valid and legitimate contact information, you will be able to contact them and be in touch to see if you are approved for a credit card. If you are desperate and you still need a credit card, even after not getting approved online, you might want to consider going to a branch in order to talk to a real agent. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a credit card with bad credit in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.